Hi everyone, this is Jodie G from jodiesjourney.com. Just very quietly filming a couple of Willie Wag-Tails playing around in our backyard, and that one's gone now. We have another one that's just underneath here, a pair that keep coming back and dancing all over our trampoline and jumping in the little bird bath. It's just so cute to watch, and they're just delightful little birds. I was reading about these fellows, and they really unique to Australia, New Guinea, Indonesia, and really quite aggressive when it comes to defending their territory. They can attack dogs and cats and sometimes humans. Also can attack kookaburras, wedge-tailed eagles, eat lots of moths and bugs and stuff. So quite a cute little fellow. This one's still here. You can see him underneath the trampoline there, really just dancing around. Probably what they're eating here in our yard are lawn grubs. We have a lot of problems with lawn grubs. We've tried to get rid of them on several occasions, but they just keep coming back. Well, we don't care if the Willie Wag-Tails eat our lawn grubs. That's fine with us. Please do. And he's still dancing around under the trampoline. You can see his tail there. And his partner in crime has left. Willie Wag-Tail has left the building. This guy's still hanging around, so I think it's really cute. I love these little fellows. I love the way they wag their tails around the place, back and forth. Their little chirpy noises, they're very cute, and we're hoping we get more little wildlife in our yard. We've had one lovely green tree frog. Anyway, that's our Willie Wag-Tail video for you today. I'll try and get some more later. Thanks for watching, guys.